One of India's most popular rising comics, Saloni Gaur, who's been a viral sensation for her satirical character Nazma Api on social media, she recently ran into the Great Wall of China with her most recent video on the India-China standoff being inexplicable, deleted by TikTok. First, let's play out that full video for you. After a huge outcry on social media following Saloni red flagging the blocking of her video, TikTok, which is a Chinese firm, has reinstated the video. But the entire issue has now added a new dimension of India's problems with TikTok. Not only is India flooded with Chinese propaganda videos on TikTok, but the firm is actively censoring critical or satirical content on China.
तो भाई ये चाइना कैसे नहीं मान रहा है? नहीं मतलब चिपचाप लिए जा रहे हैं तो कुछ भी भेजे जा रही है। पहले अपना अजीनोमोटो वाला खाना बेच के हमारी आते खराब कराई, फिर सस्ता फोन और टिकटॉक बेच के हमारा यूथ बर्बाद कर दिया, फिर ये कोरोना बेच के पूरा देश बंद करा दिया और अब सब धीरे धीरे सही हो ही रहा। तो इन्हें हमारी जमीन चाहिए। मैं वेलकम पिक्चर वाले डॉक्टर घुंगरू के अल्फाजों में पूछना चाहूंगी कि तेरा बाप इधर छोड़ के गया था या तेरी माँ? ये तो हो नहीं रहा है कि वैक्सीन ही बना ले, बॉर्डर पे उलझ रहा है। और ये जमीन कब्जे वाले गेम हमसे मत खेलियो, इसमें हमारी वाड्रा जी वर्ल्ड चैंपियन है। नहीं माना के लद्दाख सुंदर जगह घूमने फिरने का मन कर गया होगा तो क्या वहीं पे बस जाओगे? अब निकलो वापस, और गाड़ी नहीं है तो सोनू सूद को ट्वीट कर दो, जहाँ बोलोगे वहां ड्रॉप करवा देगा। और ये तो सोचिए मत कि हम लड़ाई से डर रहे हैं, वो तो हम जीत ही जाएंगे। बस बात ये है कि बाद में हमारी बॉलीवुड में लड़ाई हो।
Let's go straight across to my colleague Shiv Arur, who spoke to Saloni Gaur about China censoring content. Listen into a slice of that conversation.
And joining me live is Saloni Gaur herself. Saloni, welcome. India and China have this big standoff that's going on in Ladakh, and it looks like you've had your own little standoff, on TikTok. I hear it's all been resolved just now, but how did it happen? How did you find out? What happened?
I don't know. I was checking my TikTok account yesterday morning, and I saw that they have blocked my video. And there was nothing in it, like I didn't violate any TikTok community guidelines. There was nothing wrong in the video. I was just making fun of my countrymen. It had a joke on Sonu Sood. One was on Akshay Kumar, John Abraham fighting for that movie about Ladakh and all. So, yeah, I wasn't violating any guidelines, and they just blocked my video like in a day. Like they have, what I got angry on was like they have all those videos which show violence against women, animals and whatnot, and they don't block those videos until there is a lot of outrage against them. And they blocked my video in a day, which was just making people laugh, and it wasn't hurting anyone in any way.
No, absolutely.
And they didn't even give me any explanation about it.
I saw the video myself, and you're right, it is absolutely hilarious. I didn't find anything offensive about it. I tried to put myself in a Chinese person's shoes also and thought, would I be offended if I was Chinese? And I still didn't get offended. But after you found out that it was blocked, after you found out that it was blocked, what happened? They didn't give you a chance to defend yourself. So uske baad what happened? How did the video come back then?
I don't know, I just tweeted about it, and then it became a whole another thing. People started retweeting it, and all of you news channel people started contacting me, and I think that's why I have got it back. Like someone sent me a screenshot. He lives in UK, so he said I can view it in UK. So I thought that's not possible. If I can't see it, nobody else can. So I checked it, and I found it's there now. But they have done it multiple times. They have blocked 3 of my videos before too. So I think they might do it in the future also. So I think I'll not be putting any content there now.
Okay. So are you saying you've taken a decision not to use TikTok or to use TikTok less? That's a big deal for someone like you. I'm saying because you are like one of India's fastest, most popular, rising, content creators, comics. So if you're deciding not to use a particular platform, that's a big deal.
I think I won't be using it because, when I saw that Sonam Wangchuk's video, he was correct. I totally agree with him that we should, reduce our dependency on all of these Chinese products. Slowly, we can move towards that because there is no harm in being a little self-reliant. Like when this corona pandemic started, a lot of industries got hit by it because they were completely dependent on Chinese products. So there's no harm if we become a little self-reliant and we, stop using all these hardware and software products of China. Like he also said that we can boycott software products quite easily, but it will take time for us to boycott hardware, and there's no harm in it.
Okay, you know, Saloni, you've given us some chota breaking news by saying that you're not going to use TikTok anymore. I'm definitely going to flash that. But I have a very serious question for you because, you know, first of all, I really appreciate people who can make fun of very serious issues. I am a defense journalist. Mera view of the Ladakh standoff is extremely serious. There's no room for humor in it. But as a satirist, as a comic like you, when you look at these extremely serious issues, you know, where people say, Ispe, how can you have humor on such an issue? How do you go through, how do you approach such serious issues and find light to make of them?
Like, I am also a 20-year-old undergrad student. I don't have that sort of a mind that I can go political on every issue. Like,
Yeah.
I am a 20-year-old. What all can you expect from me? I just can think of all of these things from my point of view. I can't think of like a defense minister, oh my God, they are going to attack us, so just sit there and watch what are they going to do. So I can't think like that. I always think of all of these things from a point of view of an undergrad student. That's all. And all of my audiences consist of students, there are kids, and there are older people also. So I want to, you know, always make my videos which everybody can understand.
Do you know, since your China video went up, you know, before it got blocked, Saloni, what kind of response did you get to that? I found it hilarious, but did you get any kind of abuse or, you know, people asking you to take it down before it was blocked?
No, there was no abuse, and people weren't even abusing on TikTok. It was going quite smooth, and suddenly they removed it. I don't know what got into them.
No, that's crazy because, you know, many of the topics, you know, I've noticed from your feed that, you know, the topics you take up are very timely, they're current. You know, many of them are very serious issues like the Ladakh issue as well. Do you have any kind of a filter when you decide on the issues you take up to make fun of, or is it mostly just the current stuff?
So I make videos on everything. Like, I make videos about Adarsh Bahu and Sasuma videos. Like, Nazma, we always speak on current issues. That's it. But yeah, I write a whole script. I feel like that now I have some followers, which some people look up to me. Like, so I always think that, you know, I shouldn't speak something which might offend a large population.
Yeah.
But people tend to get offended. I don't care about them.
Okay, I'm very glad you know, you don't care. And also, you know, since we are on the topic of China and your video has not only got viral, it's been blocked by China and unblocked by China once again. I want to ask you, do you think you're going to do more videos on China? Please say yes. Please say you're going to do more videos on China.
If something happens, I'll probably do it, but I'm not planning to do any video right now.
Okay, you're not planning to do any video right now. Okay, as far as, you know, being a comic is concerned, what is next for Saloni Gaur and Nazma Api? You know, you've conquered these platforms. Everybody knows who you are. In a very short span of time, you've done great things. You've made the country laugh, especially in lockdown. Give us a preview of what you're planning to do next, Saloni.
I don't know. I thought that I'll probably perform stand-up, but I don't think that would be possible now because I can't, you know, gather people in a club or something like that after lockdown even. So yeah, I think I'll just stick up to YouTube for now because I have only made 1 minute long videos. So I want to make some longer videos on YouTube.
Okay, so all fans of Saloni Gaur and Nazma Api, look out for longer videos. If you've been following her on TikTok, she's already broken the news here on India Today that she is ditching TikTok for what they did to her. So, Saloni, we wish you all the best. More power to you, and we'll be looking out for you the next time you are blocked on whichever platform. And I hope that does not happen. Thank you, Saloni. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.